So this is the question number 8 of exercise 5.3. We are on chapter 5th, that is squares and square roots. So here it is given 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Let's understand it by taking an example with a small digit. Like there are 9 plants. For example, just assume there are 9 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. It means there are the total number of plants, that is a 9, and it is there are you have to take such a row that number of rows is equals to number of plants in each row. So how can we calculate? Like you can understand there are total number of plants 9, and there if we take 3 number of rows and 3 plants in each row. 3 plants in each row. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of plants that are 9, and also it is equally same that the number of rows, that is 1, 2, 3, number of rows, that is 3, and number of plants in each row, that is also 3, and it becomes 9 all 9. It means the number of total plants that are 9. So in the same manner we will be solving this question. So here you can say number of row is equals to number of plants in each row. And after that, let's number of row is equals to x. So here will be number of rows multiply number of plants in each row is equals to total number of plants. Total number of plants. So this is I have taken, that is x. So if it is x, multiply it is also x, because these are equal now. X and equals to number of plants, that is a 2025. So here x, that is x square, 2025. So x is equals to under root 2025, because squares, when squares removed, then it gets into under root. So here you just need to take out the LCM of 2025 or square root of 2025. That will be 5 4s are 20. Again single 2 can't go, so you just need to take 5 along with, and before that put 0, and 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 5 1 5, 9 9 81, and 9 1 9. So 9 and 5 forming a pair, 9 5 45. Your answer will be 45. So here are 45 plants in each row. Then and number of rows also 45, so that you can get 2025 plants in all. So this is the question number 8. Hope you got it, and if you do have any doubt, you can ask in comment section below. And thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, share and like it.